Hello everybody! Welcome back to a new quilling video. It's been a while since we haven't seen each other. That will not stop us from making a beautiful heart pendant today, and I will start presenting the pieces I will use. First, a small leaf that you will see in detail a bit later, then a cute plastic rose from an ornament that got shattered some time ago unfortunately, some tight coils made from 2mm paper strips in different sizes, and 3 thick red paper strips glued together at one end. As I was saying, I will present you the small leaf first, composed of 2 eccentric teardrops made on the close teeth comb. I made 7 loops in total because I wanted my leaf to be quite small. If you don't remember the process, I will put some links to my tutorials on them in the description. It's a well-known simple shape which you can master easily. When removed off the comb, I can take a previously made one and glue both together. Now I will create the 2 halves of the heart. I used 3 thick paper strips because I want my heart to be strong and not bend, especially under the weight of the rose which I will add. I had to carefully shape the strips and check the size from time to time as well. Then, when I considered it perfect, I added glue between them to help them stay together and add even more strength, because when the glue dries, it will also harden the whole shape. When both sides were ready, I glued them together to form the heart. Now I will add the 3 tight coils. The big one first, inside the heart on the upper side, on which I will glue the rose, and then the other 2 smaller ones that are just for extra support and for the glue to have more surface area to bind to. Add as much glue as needed because the bonds needs to be strong, but at the same time be delicate because we don't want the glue to be visible. To glue the rose to the big tight coil, I have to use a stronger type of glue. After that, I can add the 2 leaves on the lower side of the heart. I decided 2 more eccentric teardrops will look even nicer, and also 2 swirls on both sides will give an extra note of elegance. The final piece of the pendant is a small oval coil on top, which helps us connect the gold chain on. And that's it. I really hope you've been advancing on your quilling journey and making beautiful projects. I had to focus on many other things that took time away from my quilling adventures, but I hope to bring you new things regularly from now on. This little pendant really isn't difficult to make, and even if you don't have a small rose like the one I have used, you can make a simple flower with paper strips and use that one instead. Of course, if you have a craft store nearby, you can surely find something to use. Also, have in mind that you can add a layer of lacquer for extra protection and make the whole pendant much more sturdy. I wish you all the best in the new year. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Take care!